Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel named MS Consulting and Training. This is Manoj here, and today's video I'm going to tell you about a very interesting but a very simple looking topic, that is there any difference between autograph and signature? So please do watch this interesting video till end. So let's start the beginning of the word of uh, autograph. So let's go back to the history of this word autograph. So this word is actually originated from a Greek word starting from in the around 15th to 17th century, and in the Greek there's combination of two words, that is autos and graphos. So both are the Greek words. Autos means self and graphos means return. So this Greek word has later on taken by French, then it is Latin, and then it is been incorporated in English language. Then we will move towards the history of word called signature. So the signature is also a Latin word. You can say it little older than the word called autograph. So it is a Latin word. It is not a Greek word. And the meaning of this, it is also having a Scottish origin. And meaning is to sign or sign manual to authenticate any document. So it is 16th century word. Whereas autograph, you can say it is a 17th century word. So let's see what is the dictionary meaning of autograph. So before going to see the dictionary meaning, I'm telling you very candidly that until few years back, I was also in a view that autograph is equal to signature. But most of the people, I think 50% people may be thinking like me that autograph is same as signature, but it is not. So let's see the dictionary definition of autograph. So autograph is a noun, same like a signature, but the difference is it is a famous person's name that they sign for someone else to keep. So here two things you have to keep in mind with this definition, that is it is autograph is always associated with famous person, and it is always been given to preserve it. They don't say it is a official document signing or anything. So let's see the definition of the word called signature. So signature is also a noun. So the definition of the word signature is it is a person's name written in a special way by that person. So if you see the difference between the two meanings, dictionary meanings, that first autograph is associated with famous person, whereas signature is associated with all normal person. There is another difference is signature is always considered or it is a legal entity, but autograph is never considered as a legal entity. So this is a very major difference. So that is the reason most of the celebrities what they give, it is not signature, it is the autograph they give, because we hardly trace their original signature, because we don't have much access for the common public for the confidential document of the celebrities. So that is the reason those who put their blogs or something with the celebrities autograph and they mention it is a celebrity signature, most of the cases it is wrong. It is celebrities autograph, it is not the signature, because signature, we can say it is a signature only when we get access to celebrities uh, legal documents. So that is the reason in my last video, when I've done the signature analysis of superstar Rajinikanth, so actually the correct word for that is the autograph analysis. It is not the signature analysis. So you can watch this video. It is there. So this is all about the difference between signature and autograph. In coming part of this series, that is part 2 of this difference, I am going to explain is the signature and autograph of the celebrities are same or whether it differs. So please do watch the part 2 of this series. Thank you.